In this lecture, we will discuss about clause 5 of AIMS, that is leadership. It ensures the role of top management in establishing the AI policies, setting AI objectives, assigning roles and responsibilities, ensuring appropriate resource, and promoting continuous improvement in AI management. Let us discuss the same in detail. Let us understand what are the requirements of clause 5, that is leadership. Clause 5 has total 3 requirements: 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3. Let us first discuss the requirement of 5.1, that is leadership and commitment. It requires that top management shall demonstrate leadership and commitment by establishing the AI policy and AI objectives, by including requirements of AIMS into business processes. For example, an organization has set up an AI-based automated loan approval process. Now, as a process, some sample of AI-based decisions should be reviewed to rule out any biasness. Commitment should be also shown by providing necessary resources for AI governance, by communicating the importance of AIMS and its compliance, by ensuring AI system effectiveness and the desired outcome, by supporting teams in improving AI processes, by promoting continual improvement in AI management, and finally by encouraging the leadership across all the relevant roles. All these requirements have been taken care in our AIMS policy template. You can use the same as a starting point and modify as per your requirement. Let us now discuss requirement of 5.2, that is AI policy. It requires that top management shall establish an AI policy, and that policy should be appropriate to the purpose of the organization. Policy should support in setting AI objectives. Policy should commit for regulatory compliance. Policy should commit for continuous improvement. Policy should be documented and aligned with other policies. Policy should be communicated within the organization. And finally, policy should be shared with relevant third parties. To ease your implementation approach, we have developed a well-structured AIMS policy which is completely aligned with the requirements of ISO 42001. Same is available for download as template number 2 from resource section of the unit. Now, let us discuss the requirement of 5.3, that is roles, responsibilities and authorities. It requires that top management shall assign and communicate AI-related responsibilities and authorities. Responsibilities shall include ensuring that AIMS conforms to the requirement of ISO 42001, and responsibilities shall include reporting AIMS performance to the top management. So these are the 3 requirements of 5.3. As discussed earlier, our template of AIMS policy will ease your implementation process. You can use this. Mind map. This mind map will help you to understand the requirement of clause 5 at a glance. So under leadership, there are 3 requirements: commitment of the leaders, availability of AI policy, and documented roles, responsibilities and authorities with respect to AI. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss about clause 6, that is planning. Thanks for watching.